What's up, guys? Filling you in on the motor controller install today. Yes, I just want to kind of catch you up on what's been going on. A lot has been happening in the back of the car. So, got our motor controller installed. We have our three-phase leads going to the motor installed. We have pretty much the cooling system for the chill plate the motor controller has been set up. You have the cool in, cool, there's the cool coming out from the radiator going up. That's going to go to the reservoir, which you need to attach. From the reservoir is going to go to the water pump, and that kind of closes the loop. Yeah, and the last thing for the motor controller, basically the positive and negative battery, and then all of the motor controller wiring throughout the rest of the car. Okay, so just really quickly how to make the actual lead. So you get your terminal connectors, you strip your 2-aught wire to make that fit. And you're going to get some conductive grease. This stuff gets everywhere, so just make sure you're wearing gloves. You want to coat the outside of the wire, the cable, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take your, you want to put the grease inside of the connector, and then you're going to kind of just twist and rotate and put the connector onto the cable and push it in there as far as you can. Okay, so once that's done, your hands are going to be super dirty. So you're going to wipe that off if you can, just a little bit, just to prevent it from getting everywhere. And then just use a hydraulic crimper to apply pressure on that terminal connector to make sure you have a really super tight fit on the cable. All right, so next thing, I made 3 of these leads. These leads will be attaching from the X1 controller, the 3-phase leads, to the Hyper9 down there in the bolts. I also got these gland nuts from EV West. They're super great because they can hold the leads in place. And yeah, so the next thing is to do some heat shrinking. Just want to make sure you have the right amount. I bought this heat shrink from EV West as well. Basically, it's pretty simple. Just slide it over on top. Okay, you want to cover up to as far as you can on the terminal leads. Use a heat gun on the low setting. Make sure it's on the low setting. It's too high, it's going to melt everything. Okay, just kind of wave your heat gun back and forth, and you're going to start seeing it shrink down and create a very, very nice fitting. You can see here, it looks pretty tight. It looks super nice. And the step is tightening down these leads on the motor itself. You don't want to crank it too hard, but yeah, putting these down, and then we're going to catch the other side, and we're all set.